You've just received your new Nematode sprayer, Quick Connect. When receiving it, take the Quick Connect off and make sure that the connector is tight. Open your sprayer. And inside you will find the instructions and a longer siphon hose, which can be used for a larger bottle because this hose end sprayer can attach to a different bottle. Put the extra hose adapter aside and the instructions. Attach your Quick Connect to your hose. And turn your water on.
Set your dial to 2.
Set your dial to
2 ounces.
2 ounces. And spray. It has 4 different settings. Rainfall, straight hose, heavy rain, and this is the one you would use for your nematodes.